The Hynniewtrep Youth Council HYC today marked the 30th death anniversary of Bull N Lyngdoh, a fiery and influential student leader, at the iconic sculptural monument in Motphran, Shillong. Members and leaders of the HYC gathered to pay tribute to the late leader, reflecting on his enduring legacy and contributions to the community. The commemoration, led by HYC Malki's Circle under the leadership of Frankie Karumnoy, featured a floral homage at the monument as a mark of respect for Lyngdoh's service to society. Addressing the gathering, HYC President Roy Kuparsanrem lauded Bull N Lyngdoh's significant role in championing the rights of the Khasi community. He urged upon today's leaders to draw inspiration from Lyngdoh's legacy, especially in the face of ongoing struggles, including resistance to external forces and alleged government interference. Sinrem reaffirmed the HYC's commitment to tackling critical issues like drug abuse, which continues to afflict local youth. He reminded attendees that Lyngdoh's leadership laid the groundwork for the HYC's ongoing mission to safeguard community rights.
Bantan ya kabur bantua sa kahai court kabede bantung mo ya kini special court ban ikiwe ki kasari ya ki special judge ki special prosecutor ban kunta terter bade bakajing dawa ban snai ki rehab center kini kajela ka joni layu i statement ni kebelaan social welfare minister bang sarkar kalat penyak sat ya tekam hakaba kansna ya kita ki rehab center lakini kijaka jingai jing suma Kaki jaka ki fair ki district ki fair jong gani ka jala ka tong ni bat kiwe ki mat chingwa ki ba single du akhmat ko sarkar na drugs ba ka jing jala jong drugs kanam jur hakani ka jala ka tong ni ki kum ka sing hot wala dana na kanyang jong sarkar kaladat ban ay kata ka jing ayang yang kata jing kulan bakin menteri kam ban ilayu ki dak kisien ba kelas dang ban wandur gini ki jing dawa ki jong sing kum kaseng nginam susnap nginam supet ngin pelang ni kajing buat dian ban petik na bagi na kajing kular ki baga sarkar kala kular kaderu ban pentri kam om ban syukut tang kita kajing kular tikani galong kajing khot kajing weru na kaliang jongi kum kaseng ya ki khot jong kaseng bat ya baro mangin long ki bapet nur ban pet ya kani kajing long jiman bat ban pentri kinaru baga sarkar ka ban ye ya kini gikam ya kani kajing sniu kebelang sedang ban Bandung banjur hakane ka jela bakhantam hakane ka ri ki ka jangi.
Echoing this sentiment, HYC leader Don Boglang Lyngdoh recounted Bull N Lyngdoh's fearless fight during periods of social and political turmoil. He highlighted Lyngdoh's courage, integrity and commitment to justice, which earned him the respect and trust of the Khasi people. Lyngdoh commended the HYC for continuing its efforts to reform and rehabilitate youth while combating social evils and government oppression.
Ngayon hadirin, ngayon hikmat jong Muhammad jong Bull Lyngdoh. Natray parang itip. Bahkan ni Hynniewtrep jong Motphran kadai kali cross nam siap. Bamalas nam ngidu kenal buram yaw ni tak sungan genre. Ni dai bentuk bahkan kasih ke pemenda ngilalaki ya kajing kalau buram ke balai poli Islam kajing kelak nak kejauh.
The solemn ceremony served as a poignant reminder of Bull N Lyngdoh's enduring influence on the Khasi community. His principles of courage, honesty and selfless service remain guiding ideals for the HYC as it continues its mission to address social injustices and protect the community from external threats.